A database management system, DBMS, is software that manages and organizes data in a structured way, allowing users to efficiently store, retrieve, and manipulate data. It provides an interface between the user or application programs and the database, handling tasks such as data storage, querying, updating, and administration. Key functions of a DBMS include 1. Data storage, managing how data is stored on physical storage devices. 2. Data retrieval, allowing users to query and retrieve data efficiently. 3. Data manipulation, supporting operations to insert, update, and delete data. 4. Data security, controlling access to data and ensuring that only authorized users can perform certain operations. 5. Data integrity, ensuring data accuracy and consistency through constraints and validation rules. 6. Transaction management, handling multiple operations as a single unit of work, ensuring that all operations within a transaction are completed successfully or none at all, atomicity. 7. Backup and recovery, providing mechanisms to back up data and recover it in case of failure or corruption. Examples of DBMSs include MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle Database, Microsoft SQL Server, and SQLite. The history of databases. The history of databases spans several decades, evolving from simple file systems to complex, scalable systems that support a wide range of applications. Here's a brief overview of key milestones in the development of database technology. 1. Early data management, 1950s to 1960s. File-based systems. Before databases, data was managed using flat files. These were simple text files where data was stored in a sequential manner. Searching and updating data was cumbersome and inefficient. 2. Hierarchical databases, 1960s to 1970s. IBM's Information Management System, IMS, developed in the late 1960s. IMS was one of the first hierarchical databases. It organized data in a tree-like structure with parent-child relationships, which was useful for representing hierarchical relationships like organizational structures. 3. Network databases, 1960s to 1970s. CODASL. In the 1960s, the Conference on Data Systems Languages, CODASL, developed the network database model. This model allowed more complex relationships between data entities, with a graph-like structure enabling more flexible data relationships compared to hierarchical models. 4. Relational databases, 1970s present. Relational model, proposed by Edgar F. Codd in 1970, the relational model revolutionized data management by using tables, relations, to represent data. This model simplified data management by allowing users to use SQL, structured query language, to query and manipulate data. Early relational databases, IBM's SystemR and Oracle, developed in the 1970s and 1980s, were among the first implementations of the relational model. Oracle was commercially available starting in 1979. 5. SQL and commercialization, 1980s to 1990s. SQL standardization. SQL became the standard query language for relational databases, furthering their adoption and standardization across different systems. Commercial databases. During this period, several major relational database management systems, RDBMS, were developed and commercialized, including IBM's DB2, Microsoft SQL Server, and Sybase. 6. Object-oriented databases and NoSQL, 1990s-2000s. Object-oriented databases. These databases aim to handle complex data more effectively by integrating object-oriented programming principles into the database. Examples include ObjectStore and Gemstone. NoSQL databases, emerging in response to the limitations of relational databases in handling large volumes of unstructured data. NoSQL databases such as MongoDB, Cassandra, and Couchbase became popular. They support various data models, including key-value stores, document stores, column family stores, and graph databases.